I think, as I just said, we have to look at this in a medium-term perspective. My own perspective is that we see kind of an overreaction of the markets due to kind of an accumulation of market expectations. So we do have a long-term trend in lowering inflation, low inflation rates. This is very much based on long-term economic trends, on long-term technological trends. This clearly exists. But to have, let's say, such a kind of a strong reduction in inflation expectations, I think this is overdone, and this is something that might be corrected in due time.
Let's look at one factor which is weighing on everything, the U.S. China trade spat. So do you think we get an agreement here, or how bad could it be for the Eurozone economy?
I have no idea whether we can get an agreement there. Of course, the Eurozone is affected like everybody else, but again, in a conflict, China, let's say in a trade conflict, China-US, there are a number of options for the Eurozone. It might be on the losing side. Frankly speaking, in some cases it might be also on the winning side. So this depends very much on the specific perspectives. This is something that we have to observe, that of course all the enterprises that are in this trade are observing, and we will in a patient way react.
Can you explain that to me? How can the Eurozone actually be benefiting from that scenario?
Well, there might be cases of trade diversion. So if the US is isolating itself increasingly from world trade, that would mean that there is a number of trade relationships then that might be more going to via the Eurozone. We might have a stronger cooperation in some also technological ways between Europe and China. So one has to see it. You know this famous saying of President Trump, trade wars are easy to win. I think that is totally wrong. One has to be aware trade wars are extremely risky, because they have not only short-run effects, they have long-run effects. And if they start to affect investment behavior, it might have effects that might be very damaging for the one who is starting such a trade war.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.